In today's digital world, social media is everywhere. While it helps us stay connected, it also drains time, reduces focus, and impacts mental well-being. Have you ever caught yourself scrolling endlessly, wasting hours without realizing it? If so, it's time for a social media detox. This is not about quitting forever but regaining control over your time and energy. In this video, I'll share a step-by-step guide to break free from distractions, reclaim your focus, and build a healthier relationship with social media. By the end, you'll have a clear strategy to use social media wisely without letting it control you. Identify the problem. The first step to a successful social media detox is awareness. Most people don't realize how much time they spend scrolling. Track your screen time using apps like Digital Wellbeing, Android, or Screen Time, iPhone. Identify which platforms consume the most time and assess their impact on your life. Are they making you feel anxious, distracted, or unproductive? If you find yourself constantly checking notifications or mindlessly scrolling, it's a sign of overuse. Recognizing the problem helps you take the right action. The goal is not to quit social media entirely but to create a healthier balance. Set clear boundaries. Instead of quitting social media completely, start by limiting your usage. Set specific time slots for checking social media, such as 30 minutes in the morning and evening. Avoid scrolling aimlessly by setting app timers. Features like Instagram's daily time reminder or third-party apps like Stay Focused can help. Another effective method is the 30-30-30 rule. Spend 30 minutes creating, 30 minutes learning, and only 30 minutes engaging on social media. By setting clear limits, you prevent overuse and reclaim valuable time that can be used for productive and meaningful activities. Remove triggers and distractions. One of the biggest reasons for excessive social media use is constant notifications. Turn off unnecessary alerts to avoid interruptions. Unfollow pages, influencers, or groups that don't add value to your life. If certain platforms trigger negativity, take a break from them. Move social media apps to a less accessible part of your phone or use grayscale mode to make them less appealing. Another trick is to set your phone on Do Not Disturb mode during work or study sessions. By removing these triggers, you naturally reduce the urge to check social media frequently. Replace scrolling with productive activities. Many people turn to social media out of boredom. The key to breaking this habit is replacing it with meaningful activities. Instead of scrolling, engage in self-improvement activities like reading, exercising, learning a new skill, or spending time with family and friends. Find a hobby that excites you, whether it's music, painting, cooking, or sports. Social media gives instant gratification, but real-life activities provide long-term satisfaction. If you usually check social media in your free time, replace it with an audiobook or podcast. Small changes like these help you shift from passive consumption to active personal growth. Take a complete break. A full detox helps reset your digital habits. Try a 24-hour or week-long break from social media and observe the impact on your focus, mental health, and productivity. Log out of all accounts and delete apps temporarily. Let people know you're taking a break to reduce FOMO, fear of missing out. During this period, engage in real-life interactions, work on personal goals, or spend time outdoors. Many people experience increased clarity, better sleep, and improved relationships after a detox. If a full break seems difficult, start with shorter periods like a No Social Media Sunday. 6. Develop a healthy social media routine. After detoxing, create a balanced approach to social media. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, be intentional with your usage. Follow accounts that add value, educational content, motivational pages, or industry-related updates. Limit social media to specific times of the day, such as during lunch breaks. Use it for networking, learning, or entertainment, but avoid excessive engagement. Keep your feed positive by following content that inspires or educates. Remember, social media should be a tool for growth, not a source of distraction. By maintaining a healthy routine, you can enjoy its benefits without letting it control your life. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't let social media steal it. By following these steps, you can take control of your life, boost productivity, and improve your mental well-being. A social media detox isn't about cutting off completely but using it wisely. Start today, take small steps, and experience the freedom of living more intentionally. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more self-improvement content, and share your experience in the comments. Let's create a balanced digital life together.